seduze kwami uShelly Valem namhlanje benizophaka manje umuze engifisa ukubuza ukuthi ukubona lezingane lezi ezihlala emgwaqeni kanje ufila kanjani?
First and foremost mina ngumama ngingezela ingane zabafana ezu2. One is 15 years, another one is 10 years. Lana ngithole umfana ona 14 years. Leyo ngane ngengane zami. So it's painful.
It's painful.
Extremely so. Ngithe ngeke ngihlale ekhaya ngoqe izandla. Angicela abanye omama ukuthi asiphumeni bafazi sizolekelela ngoba as ubaba uNdabandaba ecele umkhuleko kanye no Dr Dlamini no baba uFelo Mtwini no Mancinza ngathi mina no as abantu besifazane we need to do something because ingane zethu la amadoda ethu lawo abafowethu laba afanele basemakhaya bavusa imizi yobaba bavusa imizi yethu bathi bala
ububaleka kangakanani lo mkhuleko wanamhlanje?
Angazi ukuthi ngachaza ukuthi ukubaleka khona but if abantu base South Africa bengabona ukuthi how important bengayibona icrisis esibhekana nayo kahle kahle uhulumeni kube sinohulumeni manje sinawo ngabe they declare a state of emergency on the immigration crisis in South Africa because this is a state of emergency. Lezi labafana lamadoda awaze aphume emzini yabo athi afisa ukubanje. But because kunabantu who are intentionally driving amadoda ethu abafana bethu obhuti bethu to become in danger. It's a state of emergency.
Yes. Sizwile lapho indaba ethinta kakhulu indaba yokuba khona kwabantu bokufika akholele ukuthi ibona kakhulu abenza ukuthi kugcine kuneyinkinga njengalezi.
It is correct. He is correct. Vele abantu bokufika abadayisa ama drugs la South Africa. Kurekabi akwenzeki ukuthi uthola umuntu wase South Africa. Abantu who are pumping the drug industry abantu bokufika. But ngiloye ngisho lento le ukuthi there are yimgijimi high ranking politicians, elite, the elite who are actually the kingpins of the drug industry. Uzibuza ukuthi why are they ama drug lords are so much protected? Bazoprotectwa ngisho amaphoyisa. You have to ask yourself why. Why? Because vele it's politicians and the elite. Ubathola labantu bahlala kuma the most expensive suburbs. Yes, chaza ukuthi bayazi bona ukuthi bathunywa abantu abaphezulu. Hence sinale crisis esinayo and they don't care ngoba at the end of it all ingane zethu lezi ezisafarisha kanje ngoba zila.
Sawanga isikhathi sawo.